My name is David Sage. I'm the Managing Director of Dalau Ltd. We're the biggest fluoropolymer manufacturer in the UK. We're an £18 million company exporting to 35 countries around the world. There are approximately 120 staff, and we manufacture 11 million components per year. Electronics, engineering, aerospace, medical technologies and biosciences. Quality is the most important thing for us. That's what we sell our name on. Yeah, we would consider us the best component manufacturer in Europe and when it comes to plastic parts. We wanted something because we were making very, very small components, micro components. We needed something that could get down to that measurement and be accurate and consistently the same. We found that mechanical measurement was a problem because it had a human error factor. So what we went out looking for were the OGPs, which we bought quite a few years ago. That proved you could actually measure and inspect without having the contact. They tend to be where we've got slightly bigger components, or we want to measure detailed surface areas and look at it in a much more analytical way, as a microscope in some respects. You can fit your probes on it as well, which makes it very useful as an inspection equipment. We manufacture a very complex medical component, which is a blood clot filter, and it has 19 holes, 0.2 diameter, in a 4.5mm diameter component. Now, the original machine we had to use was the OGP, which is brilliant. You could set it up in batches, 10 part, set it up on the OGP. The OGP would measure each one, measure each hole, 19 holes, and the diameters and the spaces between it, measures them all. It's very much more on the analytical side, having the accuracy in a laboratory environment so that we can measure components really accurately and take photos of the surface finish, things like that. That's where the OGP is really good. So it's improved the business immensely. And making 11 million components is a lot of components. And you need the accuracy and the reliability and the service and the backup, and we can't fault it. I think everything we've asked for has always been done. We've had special software, we've had calibrations and things, and all the service has been brilliant.